All right, we'll get going. Good evening. I want to thank everyone for coming, and I apologize for the traffic on 95. My name is Lou Day, and I'm the managing partner of Advanced Capital, which is the host of this event. And I'd like to thank you all for coming to what is our inaugural financial symposium. Now, we're well aware, okay, that there are a number of these events that are put on, okay, by any big major bank, okay, or insurance company or broker-dealer. And you have all those options, okay, to go to those kinds of events. And, in those, you're going to be able to hear from any number of pundits, from these big organizations that will tell you what's going to happen to the market next week or this year, and then they'll tell you what to invest in next week. All the rage right now is how you can invest in equities with no volatility, et cetera, et cetera. So there's always something they're going to tell you you're going to be able to do. We thought that it was probably, given everything that's happened, we thought that it was probably time and worthwhile for you to hear from someone else, someone that would have a more independent voice, as it relates to some of the things that are going on in the financial services industry today. So what we've done, okay, is our literature, okay, our promotional literature. One of the things we talked about is recent events that have shaped, okay, and forever influenced your attitudes and behavior about investing. And I think we've all gone through that, and I think we all recognize that. The question that we want to pose tonight, and the question that we want to address tonight, is what about their attitudes, okay, and behavior as it relates to investing? And that's, I think, going to be a very interesting topic. And to do that and discuss that, what we want to do, we've gone through a meltdown, we've gone through a bailout with our dollars, we've gone through the Great Recession, which of course you all know was over a year ago, okay? And, okay, now we've got the Dodd-Frank bill, okay, that has recently been passed. And what we've done, okay, is we wanted to get a perspective on this, okay, and what we've done, we've invited James Kwok, okay, here to tell us about what's going on. Now, James is a very accomplished young man, academically, in business, okay, and as an author. He has an undergraduate degree from Harvard, a PhD from Berkeley, and if that isn't enough, he's currently finishing up his law degree at Yale. He's a former McKinsey consultant, and a successful entrepreneur with the technology company called Guidewire. And he's the co-founder, okay, of the blog, The Baseline Scenario, as well as the co-author of 13 Bankers, which is an excellent book, okay, which you're going to get tonight.